everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Shabita Kotak and I'm a health and wellbeing coach. I help people live a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And while I've been at the detox, I have discovered why I've been using this tongue scraper for most of my life. It's an Indian tradition, so when we grow up we automatically given a tongue scraper. Basically what I do in the morning after I brush my teeth is I brush my teeth, gargle my toothpaste out of my mouth, and I go and get a layer of gunk that comes out of my tongue. But I didn't quite know why I was doing this, and Sarah from White Lotus Retreat in Byron Bay said that this is really good for detoxing. So please, can you explain what is the purpose behind the tongue scraper and why should we use it?
So it is a ancient traditional practice on clearing bacteria out through the tongue. So the mouth is also an organ, sort of like one of the orifices for elimination. So it does house a lot of bacteria. So when you actually brush your teeth, you're actually brushing like the teeth and the gums, but your tongue actually has a lot of toxins that come out through the system. So scraping it with the metal actually helps clear that out of the mouth. When you're detoxing, usually after about 2 to 3 days, you do end up having a white, pasty, cheesy film on the tongue. A lot of this is full of toxins, but also heavy metals, and no matter how much you brush your teeth, like that metal taste or that yucky, furry taste is still in the mouth. So the tongue scraping actually allows you to clear that out of the mouth as opposed to just keeping all that bacteria in. A lot of the time these days people say, oh, I scrape my tongue with a tongue scraper on the end of a toothbrush. There's like, if you turn the toothbrush around, you've got all those little things that they call a tongue scraper. If you actually do that, you're actually pushing all the bacteria back into the tongue. So it's actually not that beneficial. Like you actually need to scrape it off with a tongue scraper or with the back of a spoon, but you actually have to clear that out of the system, out off the tongue. And also, for example, like especially like chronic smokers, when they are detoxing, rather than them just having a white filmy coating on the tongue, usually their tongue is really yellow with all the nicotine that's coming out. So it's actually really important to tongue scrape every morning, and then you combine that with coconut oil pulling to actually clear the mouth.
I have been using this since I can't remember, since I was 3 or 4, I don't know. And I don't feel as if I've probably cleaned my teeth until I finish my tongue scrape. Once you start using this, you will not go back to not using this. So, and you can get these anywhere in a health food shop, and they're under $10, so they're really cheap and cheerful. And go and buy one and try it out and let me know what you think. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to press the like button, share this with your friends if you like, comment if you've tried the tongue scraper or you want to try the tongue scraper, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.